Hi, Pretty Bird Flock. Pretty Bird is taking a shower. Yep, she is. Hi, Pretty Bird. Are you enjoying your shower? Yeah. That's a good birdie. Yes, you are a good birdie. You okay, baby? Mama help you groom? Good bird. Now let's see if I can show you guys a peek of her new feathers. You guys see this? This, like, triangle right here? These are her new flight feathers. They're starting to poke through. Hold on, you're okay. I know it's sensitive, honey. Let's see. You can see right here very well the connection between a new feather that is growing out from the root right here. And that right here is just the tip of the feather. It's not actually the full feather. This is the part, and it's connected into the skin right there. And then it's growing out, and it's not very long yet, but this will probably end up being a feather that's going to be probably like this long later on. So these are just feathers that are coming in new, and you can see the roots right here. This is another one right here. It's just the tip of it, and they grow out and get longer. Just got another one coming in here, and it just continues like that all the way. Mama, see, will you give me a wing? Can I have it? I'm trying to coax it out a little bit to show you guys. There it is. You guys see that? Doesn't want to. Let's see it right there. Those are all the new feathers coming in. It's okay. I'll leave it alone now. I'll leave it alone. It's okay, baby. Yeah, Mama loves the pretty. So, Pretty Bird was breathing with her mouth open. That's why I put her in a shower right now. The steam usually helps her if she got something stuck in the wrong spot. Between drinking the water and the steam, it usually helps her. And then I kind of massage her neck like this in case she got something stuck. And I just kind of follow. With geese, what's interesting is you can feel this part right here you see moving. That's actually her esophagus. That's why if you watch her eat, you can sometimes see a lump and it'll like move down kind of slowly, which like always freaks me out a little bit. Oh baby, I know. Are you a good bird? Yes, you are a good bird. Look how pretty you look. You look like you're glittery with all those drops on you. Are you a glittery bird? Yeah. Oh yeah, and if you watch her eye, watch. You can see the film that goes over her eyes. You guys see how it kind of turns a different shade over and over again? If you watch it, you can see the cover go over it. Yeah, no, look, yeah. Right? It's kind of like a milky. Hi, pretty. What was that? Are you giving us a funny face? Are you making a funny face, Pretty Bird? Are you making a funny face? It's pretty cool though, because they have a second, like almost like an eyelid that goes over their eyes when they're underwater. And you can tell every time it moves because in between you can see that her eye's reflecting and then it stops reflecting. It's reflecting and it stops reflecting. You guys see that? Yep. And it's a secondary eyelid that pretty much protects the eye from all the water and keeps the eye moist. Kind of like we blink all the time. They don't. They blink without taking the, like, without losing the capability to see what's going on around them. Now, I don't know this for sure, but I would assume that this is partially because it gives them a better ability to continuously pay attention to their surroundings in case of predators and such. My phone got a little bit wet for just a moment. I apologize.